YouTube, what is up? So today I'm going to be unboxing the SoundPEATS GoFree 2 wireless earbuds. Now these earbuds are an open-to-ear design, which means that there's nothing that goes into your ears to collect all that nasty earwax.
Oh, gnarly!
And the GoFree 2s that have Bluetooth 5.3 and offer, that's right, dual device connectivity. Speaking of dual mic noise cancellation, IPX5 water resistance. So what do you say? Let's get into it. All right, we have got the SoundPEATS GoFree 2 wireless earbuds. A quick shout out to SoundPEATS for sending these out to me, to get my thoughts and opinions. And going over the box, it said it's a high resolution wireless with LDAC support, and they have 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers, 35 hours of playtime, and dual mic noise cancellation. What else do we got? Bluetooth 5.3. There's the frequency. Playtime for the earbuds, about 9 hours. With the case, it's 35 hours. Hear your imagination. Ooh, I don't know.
Let's do it!
So let's go ahead and pop her on open. So what do we got going on here? A little slice and a little dice. That should be good. Alrighty. Whoosha! This should just slide right off of there, right? Maybe? Oh wait, let's do this. So, oh wait, there's something on top, feels like. What, oh, look, there's a little tab. It's a secret tab. What's in the secret tab? Ooh, looks like it could be instructions? Probably. It's the user guide. All right, there's the user guide. Let's take a look at the earbuds. What else comes? Oh wait, there's more. There's the earbuds. Pop open the little canister thingy and you get USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging. This should be, I believe it's a USB Type-C charging port.
Stop it. Get some help.
I didn't unwrap that quite right. That's okay. It came off of there. A little glossy looking case. Yep, USB Type-C for plugging it in. So let's go ahead and pop it open. There they are. Now this doesn't feel heavy, so let's go ahead, let's weigh it. See what they weigh. Clear it out. Clear out. There we go. With the earbuds in and the case and everything, that's the only thing. So total weight, 75 grams. That seems pretty impressive. Let's find out what one earbud weighs. 9 grams. Add the second, 18 grams, so 9 apiece. That's pretty cool. Oh, and they magnetically pop right back in there. So we got a little sticker back here. Let's remove that sticker. That's for the connections for it to charge. And as you can see with these, it is an open, like I said, open ear design, and it also curves, it goes around your ear loop. There we go. Yeah, just like that. Like so, yeah? How's that look? I can't see. But anyways, yeah, they slide right on there. And let's see, when you plug it in, it doesn't light up. So how do you know if it's charging? Oh wait, I think she's talking. Dude, it's like, listen to this. Listen. So let me go ahead and connect it to my phone. Bluetooth, open them up. And oh, there they are, see? automatic pairing. I didn't even have to do anything. See how they sound. So I pop it up in here, right? And it just comes up over the ear. Swing it around. How exactly do these go on? What am I doing wrong here? Oh, these just need to come over. Okay. Okay. So I'm paired up. Let's find some music. So, but yeah, you got to remember it's open ear. So as far as you know, the Christmas, the crispness, the crispiness of the bass, and you know the highs of the treble. You know, since it's open-eared, you know it's not going to be that intense. But yeah, messing with them a little bit. They don't seem to come all the way down on my ears. I mean, you know, everybody's ears are subjective. Now they do have touch controls on the sides. Right side, one tap. The tap controls are very nice. You don't really have to get up in there, just light tap. So as I got to researching these earbuds a little bit, they don't go over like the ear holes of your ears. Do more of a floating. So when I was first trying them on, everything was correct. They just kind of hover over. It's not the cleanest of sounds. It sounds okay, you know, but it's not that in-ear type of, you know, sound that you get. You know, its bass isn't quite there. You know, it's a little on the tinnier side, and you know, others can hear, you know, what's going on around you, but they are, you know, very comfortable. You know, they're not gonna go anywhere. The touch controls are nice. The touch controls work well. They still have some work to do on the app. What'd I do, just to get rid of all of them now? A little bit of app crashing. They fit on there really easy. You know, it's just, it doesn't quite go over the ear hole. There is a little bit of sacrifice, you know, when it comes to that deep bass or that richness of sound. And if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video and a sub to the channel? That would just be swell. Peace and love, y'all.